Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed comparison of two popular Indian travel credit cards, the Scapia Federal Bank credit card and the Ixigo AU credit card. Both claim to be the ultimate companion for travel lovers, but which one really delivers the most bang for your buck in 2025? Stick around as we go deep in their features, the benefits, the fees and the drawbacks. Let's jump right in. First, we'll start with the Scapia Federal Bank credit card. This card is a lifestyle and travel focused credit card. It is co-branded with Scapia and issued by Federal Bank. What makes Scapia really unique is that it's 100% app based. Everything from applying, tracking expenses, earning rewards and redeeming coins is done digitally through the Scapia mobile app. This makes it super convenient for younger mobile first users. And the card is lifetime free, meaning no joining or annual fee, and has been gaining traction especially among millennials and Gen Z users for its generous rewards, no forex markup and the sleek UI. It's a good pick for people who love to travel and don't want to deal with complicated redemption systems or hidden charges. How about the Ixigo AU credit card? It is co-branded with Ixigo and AU Small Finance Bank. Ixigo is a well-known travel booking platform. This card also comes with zero joining and annual fees, and its biggest strength lies in domestic travel, especially for those who frequently book train, bus, and domestic flights. Ixigo, being a hub for booking IRCTC train tickets and intercity buses, gives you travel perks right where you need them. It also includes railway lounge access, which is a rare benefit not seen on many Indian credit cards, and that makes it very attractive for train travelers. So, both cards are designed with travelers in mind, but each takes a slightly different route to appeal to its target user base. Now let's talk about the main features and details. We start with the Scapia Federal Bank credit card. The reward system. You earn 20% Scapia coins on all travel bookings made via the Scapia app. This includes flights, hotels, and experiences. For all other spends, you earn 10% rewards, whether online or offline. And there's instant redemption on flights, hotels, and buses on the Scapia app. It is 5 Scapia coins to 1 rupee. There's also lounge access, unlimited domestic lounge access, complimentary dining, shopping, or spa when you spend 10,000 rupees on Visa card or 15,000 rupees on the RuPay card every month. There's no forex markup fee, it is zero. This is also one of the strongest points of the Scapia card. That means you don't pay the standard 3.5% fee on purchases that are made abroad. Other perks include the fuel surcharge waivers, easy EMI options on travel bookings, and instant virtual card issuance. Plus the interface is fast, it's modern, and it's beginner friendly. How about the Ixigo AU credit card? You can kickstart your adventure with 1000 reward points and 1000 rupees Ixigo money vouchers on your very first successful transaction within the initial 30 days of credit card issuance. You also get benefits on all your travel bookings. You enjoy a 10% discount on flight bookings up to 1000 rupees. You enjoy 10% off on bus bookings up to 300 rupees. You also receive a 10% instant off on hotel bookings up to 1000 rupees. But these are only valid using Ixigo platforms only. Also, when you spend 200 rupees on online purchases, you earn 10 reward points. And you also earn 5 reward points when you spend 200 rupees on offline purchases. This card also has international lounge access. You get 1 complimentary international lounge access every year. And as for domestic, airport, and railway lounge, you get access to 16 exclusive complimentary domestic airport and railway lounge access every year. There's also zero forex charges, just like the Scapia card. Now, what is the pricing of these cards about? We start with the Scapia card. The joining fee is 0 rupees, annual fee 0 rupees, so it is lifetime free. No forex markup charges, and unlimited domestic lounge access, but only if you spend 10,000 rupees or more in the previous month. How about the Ixigo AU credit card? Also 0 rupees for joining, 0 rupees annual fee, no forex markup charges, And for domestic lounge access, you get 16 airport lounge visits. Also, for the international lounge access, you get 1 complimentary international lounge access per year. These are all great, with lovely welcome bonuses and reward points. What are the pros and cons of using these cards? First, the pros, and we start with Scapia. There are high earning rates, unlimited coin redemption with no expiry, no forex markup, it's a free lifetime card, and simple mobile first app experience. How about the pros of using the Ixigo AU card? Strong focus on domestic train, bus and flight travel, and there are flat discounts rather than points for many services. It also includes railway lounge access, which is great for train users. 1 international lounge visit is a good bonus. There are no forex fees and there's added fraud protection. How about the cons of using these cards? First, the Scapia card. Coins can only be used within the Scapia app. It does not reward international spending. And lounge access is only domestic, also tied to a monthly spend requirement. And for the Ixigo AU card, rewards are usually capped monthly, and it's not ideal for those booking travel outside of Ixigo. So which card is better in 2025? If you're someone who books most of your travel through the Scapia app and you want a digital first experience with maximum earning on both travel and everyday spending, then the Scapia card is clearly the better pick. On the other hand, if you're a regular train traveler or someone who relies on buses and you want predictable monthly savings along with premium lounge access in both airports and train stations, then the Ixigo AU card might just be the winner for you. Both cards are free, they both eliminate forex charges, and both are loaded with travel perks. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore HDFC Millennial Credit Card, Standard Chartered Ease My Trip Credit Card, and Axis Bank Neo Credit Card. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.